Hi, dear students. Today we have review and test in chapter 8, page 156. Choose the best term from the boss. So they are talking about this boss, and the words are fraction, nominator, denominator, and decimal numbers. So question 1. In the fraction, 3/8. 3 is called we have to choose one from the boss. And the 3 is called what? Nominator. So let's write nominator. Question 2. A number that name part of a whole or part of a set is called fraction. So please write fraction. Question 3. 0.3 is the dash that represent the fraction 3/10 is what? Decimal number. Now we have to go to question 4. It said write each fraction as decimal what? Number. So we have 4/10. So it will be what? It's equal to what? 0.4. Question 5. 9/10. It will be 0.9. Oh, it's too big. 0.9. Please write. Question 6. 2/10. 0.10. 0.2. Now question 7. We have 7/10. So 0.7. Question 8. 1/10. 0.1. We have 10/10. For this one, it will be 1.0. Let's go to check skills. Use flashing bars to find an equivalent fraction for each fraction. Now question 10, we have 6/2? 6/4. So it will be what? We will reduce it to what? The lowest what? Factors. So the lower factors, it will be what? It's equal to, it will be equal to 3/2. And here we have 8/10, which it is equal to 4/5. Two divide here by 4, and 2 divide the 10 by 5. And we have 3/6, which is 1/2. 3 times 1, 1. 3 times 2, 6. 6 divided by 3 is what? 2. Question 13. Where's the mark? Write the fraction in numbers and in words and name the shading part. Here, question 13. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4. And how many parts is shade? 3. So 3, it says shading part. So we will count the one that they have shade in the colors. So 3 over 4. And the west is 3/4. Fourth. Question 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 over 5. 1/5. Now we have question 15. Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. And how many parts is shade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over 8. Or we can also say that 6 out of 8 is 8. Okay, question 16. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We also have 8 slices of pizza. So 8. And how many parts is shade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So we are done. Let's go to question 17. What is the instruction for question 17? He said, order from least to greatest. Use the normal line to help. And I told you guys before that from least, that means from lowest, okay, to highest. So which one is from low to highest? So we start from 0.1. So 0.1. Then after that, what? 0.3. Then we have 0.4. Then 0.7. 0.8. Then 0.9. But if they should have told us from greatest to what? Least, we should have started from 0.9, 0.8, 0.7. But for this one, they said that from least to what? Greatest. That's why we start from 1 to 9. Let's go to question 19. It said, write the fraction and decimal for the shading part. Let's look inside the cube, and first we have to count the shading part. Each box is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As I said, each box is 10. So all we have to do is to count the shading part. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's what? 5 over 10. Oh, it's not nice. So we have 5 over 10. And the decimal point is 0.5. Question 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 over 10. And the decimal point is 0.8. Question 21. We have 1 over 10. Oh. So the decimal point is 0.1. The last question, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 over 10. And the decimal is 0.7.